Hey everyone! Welcome to For Real, the place where we break down everything about online shopping, tech, and more. I'm Anna, and today we're going to unravel the mystery of Temu's shipping times to the USA. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about Temu's shipping options. They've got three main methods. Standard shipping takes about 10 to 20 business days and is free over a certain amount. Expedited shipping speeds things up, delivering in 5 to 8 business days. And then there's e-packet for those lighter packages, averaging 10 to 20 days. Let's dive into what really affects Temu's shipping times. It's not just about the distance. Coastal cities like New York and LA see faster deliveries due to their major entry points, while inland and rural areas might wait longer. The shipping method makes a big difference too. Expedited shipping significantly cuts down time, while e-packet trims a few days off. How quickly Temu processes your order, including factors like pre-orders or customized items, also plays a part. Plus, there are customs checks, which are usually 1 to 3 business days, but it can vary. And don't forget the holiday rush, especially from October to January, and big sale periods like Black Friday, which can really slow things down. Lastly, Temu's warehouse locations across China and the size and weight of your package can affect the speed of your delivery. Wondering about average shipping times? For standard shipping, think 15 to 22 business days. Expedited, 6 to 10 days. And e-packet falls between 14 to 21 days. Keep in mind that deliveries to places like Alaska or Hawaii might take a tad longer. Excited about your order and want to keep an eye on it? Let's talk about tracking your Temu package. Once your order is processed in a warehouse, Temu issues a tracking number. You'll see updates like shipment dispatched from the warehouse, arrived at mainland China export hub, then departed China export hub. Once it's in transit, there might be a gap in updates as your package crosses the ocean. But don't worry, the tracking gets more detailed after it arrives in the destination country. You'll see updates like passed through customs, arrived at a local facility, and finally, out for delivery or delivered. If there's an unexpected delay, or if your order seems stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to Temu customer support. They can provide additional information and help track down your package. To wrap it up, when shopping on Temu, plan for a 2 to 3 week delivery time on average. Consider expedited shipping if you're in a hurry, and always keep an eye on your order status. With a bit of planning, those deals will be at your doorstep before you know it. That's it for today, folks. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts down below. This is Anna from For Real saying stay informed, stay savvy, and see you in the next one.